Good morning from Ekudden on Flaten Lake, this naked beach spot in the beautiful nature and Flaten Nature Reserve. It is 8th of June, Monday, and currently 11:20 a.m. And it's time for Chris to continue the beach adventures. And I have chosen this very spot over here as it is very nice for swimming. There are no people at all in the nature here, and it's quite convenient to ride with my bicycle here. 8 kilometers approximately, around 22 minutes. And yes, it's beach day number 55. Currently it is 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured in the lake it is 19 degrees Celsius, so very warm compared to yesterday in the sea where it was only 14 degrees Celsius. So let me show you around here how it looks like. And I also need to be aware of the mosquitoes while going through the forest and other insects as well. But yeah, we continue with the beach adventures, and today I'm gonna swim also half an hour in total. Well, I did that yesterday at 14 degrees water temperature, so at 19 it won't be an issue. And today also I'm going to jump into the water, as here it is quite deep and perfect for that. Cool. Summer is ongoing and we're gonna have a super nice summer here in Stockholm, hopefully. But for this week the forecast doesn't look that promising, and it's going to be quite changing weather with rain here and there, but we shall see how that will be actually. Okay, so we continue with the vlog with me getting into the water, obviously. And tonight I am planning on going on a concert at Grönlund. Is James Arthur. His most famous song is Impossible. I think he's from X Factor from the UK. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see that concert. Okay, the sun is up and Chris is ready for a swim in the lake Flaten and ready for to jump in the lake. So let's go together. So it is early this in the morning, but later in the day it has even more sun here at this nice naked beach spot in the nature. Look at how clean the water is. It's amazing indeed. So, ready, set, and go! It's fantastic. That was such a wonderful jump. Indeed, I love it. The water is very warm. Quite a difference from yesterday, indeed. 5 degrees warmer. So the lakes are delivering great kind of warm water for my scale at least. And yeah, it's gonna be so cool to swim and enjoy before continuing on with the day. Okay, so yeah, let me show you how my view is from the water and the spectacular beach spot in the beautiful nature. I just love this type of cliff beaches in the middle of nowhere in the nature. It's so fulfilling indeed. Okay, so I hope everyone is having a great summer wherever you are. Here in Sweden we have this type of weather, it's going to be whole summer around 20 degrees, so I think it's perfect to skip the Mediterranean hot weather and enjoy the Swedish summer at its best. Indeed. Alright, thanks so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!